Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got my sunglasses on because it's really bright out. Look how pretty it is out there. Absolutely beautiful. Seattle's a hidden gem, to be honest. People say it rains here all the time, but since I've gotten here, it's been like this every single day. It's beautiful. You guys want to see something kind of cool? Check this little guy out. We're growing tomatoes. In Seattle, you might think that was something else. It's not. It's tomatoes. And they're doing pretty good. So far we got, how many flowers we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're looking at 5 tomatoes so far. Pretty cool. We got succulents over here too. Plants and humans need each other, man. Gotta have plants around your house. All right, let's go inside. I kind of was just standing out here. It's so nice out. I guess we could take the sunglasses off now. What are we doing in here? We got some product research going on. What are we looking at? Flamingo lights could be the next $1,000 a day product. Maybe not per day. That's kind of crazy. Revenue, maybe. Revenue. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about kind of what I've been up to. Don't mind the mess, but I have a ton of inventory right there. It doesn't look like a lot in the camera, but it's pretty much as tall as my waist. That's like 400 units. This is 100 units per box there. I have another box over there. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. I'm gonna be labeling all that stuff myself. And if I sent it straight to the Amazon FBA warehouse from Dhgate, it would have taken weeks to get here. And I wouldn't have been able to inspect my first order. I have all my inventory, and it's actually gonna be faster this way. It's the funny part. Because if I actually ordered something from Dhgate 2 weeks ago, and I did the fastest air shipping possible, and it hasn't even gotten here yet. Like, air shipping is so overrated from China when it has to go through customs and all that stuff. It's been taking like 12 days. It just got to the United States, so overrated. This I shipped out 4 days ago. We got here yesterday. 3-day shipping, like it was literally 3 days, and those are, big boxes, and it was free, guys. Free shipping. That is absolutely insane. And since I'm already in the United States, to do shipping to an Amazon FBA warehouse keep in mind, it's not gonna be that expensive because Amazon has partnerships with shipping services. So when you make your shipment, and you're shipping it yourself from the United States, it's gonna be a lot cheaper, right? Those boxes, if I was just shipping it as a UPS customer, would be a ton. But I could actually, get Amazon's discounted rate and put those labels on there. It's not gonna be that much. And so we're looking at a 6-day lead time. That's super fast for Amazon FBA products. Those are, 2 of those boxes are one product, so there's 200, 300 units. Yeah, 300 units of one product right there, 100 units of another one, and then that box that I showed you over there was 100 units as well. So there are 3 new products I'm launching this month. I've been a little bit distant on YouTube lately just because I've really been focusing on my business. Bring it down maybe 4 or 5 videos a week instead of the old 7 or 8 videos a week. Some days I do 2 videos. But yeah, just want to keep you guys updated. I know a lot of you do like watching this style of video. Some of you guys just like the instructional stuff, but I figured for everyone out there that likes kind of seeing what I'm up to, likes relating to me, this would be a fun video to make. So I'm just kind of telling you what I'm doing today. Actually called Seller Central, because a couple of those units are electronics and they're going through hazmat review. That should be done tomorrow. I had to get some information from my supplier, some MSDS sheets and certification stuff. But like, those are just hoops that a lot of people wouldn't jump through, right? Like, my whole philosophy with Amazon lately has been just doing everything the opposite of the masses. Like, why can't you sell electronics? Every electronic product I look at is making $50,000 a month. Maybe it's not the best first one, but I've sold a ton of products on Amazon now. Not a ton, but 8. My 8th FBA product is in my apartment right now. I'm gonna be sending out this week, hopefully tomorrow, once the hazmat is up and I can actually create the shipment. But I've noticed that it's not that much harder to do things that people thought were like impossible to do, like selling electronics or selling things that you need an instruction manual for and like an app with, right? Those are just things that people get lazy and don't feel like doing. So everyone's looking for the products that don't require that. And there's a lot of hidden gems in the electronics categories, the computer accessory categories, cords, cables, a lot of those things. Like, I'm just at the point where all the income I have coming in from whether it's YouTube, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, like I don't even have a car. I don't have like fancy stuff. I have my computer, and I think that's the most expensive asset I have, which is for my business. And everything gets dumped back into the business. I'm literally spending every waking hour in my Amazon business, which feels really good. I'm like addicted to this business model, and I hope eventually you guys will be too. Just getting started. And the cool thing with Dhgate is like, there's no excuses. Like anyone can do this. Go on Dhgate. One of those boxes was $549. That was my video I made 2 days ago. That product is here right now. I've labeled it. It's ready to go out as soon as hazmat is up. And then let's add another $30 or $40 to get it to an Amazon FBA warehouse. That's it. And now I have a fulfillment by Amazon product selling, and I could use very minimal advertising costs because it's already a really low competition product, right? There's less than, I think there was less than 20 sellers. So that's the markets that I'm really eating at now, is I just want to become the big dog and crush all the competition. So I'm not going for these huge products where there's 1,000 results. I'm going for the products where it's like, wow, that's really weird and niche specific, and there's not a lot of people selling that, but the people who are selling it are doing really good. And so what if I have to source it from the US if it's a topical product, or I have to get a certification for this, or I have to do that. Those are all things, like I was saying, going back to the barriers to entry, that most people aren't gonna do. So if you do that, you put yourself in a good position. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just wanted to kind of update you, let you know that I am crushing it with some Amazon FBA related stuff. I'm sure a lot of you guys appreciate that. Walking it like I'm talking it, right? I'm trying to build that Amazon FBA portfolio, man. Get 10 products, doing $150, $200 a day, start making 20, 30 grand a month. That's where I'm going with this business model. I'm working on it right now, obviously, you can tell. I'm never like putting myself on a pedestal and thinking that I'm like above doing the hard work myself. Hard work, right? Labeling 100 units takes me 20 minutes to do. Put them back in the box, put a label on it. It's kind of fun, actually, like getting your hands dirty, seeing the product. Something about that is just very rewarding. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here today, guys. Just kind of wanted to talk to you, update you, let you know what I'm doing. Doing product research. If you guys need any of the resources below, I have a pay what you want, donation-based course, full Amazon FBA course, beginning to end, donation-based. That's right, it's not $500. You could pay $500 if you want. It would be a very generous donation, but you don't have to. Pay whatever you can afford and get started. And then we have product list, monthly product picks coming out in 5 days. I just actually finished up making that list with differentiation recommendations. So if you are struggling with product ideas, you go pick that up. I think there's like 30 spots left. There's only 100 people that I let in there every month. And then coaching, if you guys need, coaching, there's a link for that in the description too. Just trying to remind you guys of this stuff more often, because I always forget to bring up all these resources that I've created. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you thought about tomato plant, or my products, or my sunglasses. Anything, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.